Hi, this is Rick Rowberry. This is a training segment on my business card handout system. This little card here, I'm going to go through how to set it up through Staples, copy and print in just a minute. But first of all, let me just tell you, this is a system, a self-contained system where it's easy to get in other people's hands because all you do is outstretch your hand, they outstretch yours and take the card out of your hand. And so it's simple. Once that card is in their hand, all you're going to do is just simply say, people are making a lot of money in this little system right here. If you need or want to make money, watch this, or just throw the card away. Now remember, if you tell them to throw the card away, they cannot throw the card away. If you just tell them to watch this and make some money, they'll always throw the card away. But human behavior says that when you tell them to do something, they always do the opposite. So if you tell them to throw the card away, that's the magic. They will not throw the card away. Too much curiosity. This is a system that gets people engaged in income-producing activities as soon as they sign up. This is one of the challenges that we have in our business because people spend a lot of time, studying the back office, learning about the comp plan. This is something where within an hour or 2 or 3 hours they can have these cards in their hands and actually be out there income-producing, delivering the message as the messenger to their prospects. Okay, so as you see on this card, I just have wealth generators, Wall Street to Main Street, and there's basically 3 systems. And you can set up any system you want, okay? I have a little 4 or 5 minute sizzle line. I put a step 1. Then I have them watch my online overview, which is a PowerPoint video, yourwealthclub.com. And then just simply step 3 is it phone, text, or email me. I want to give them my name, my phone number, and my email address, not my website. If you give them a website, it takes them outside of this system right here. So that is the system. And how many cards you hand out? Look, how many cards does it take you to hand out? We talk about the building block of the compensation plan, which is 3 is guaranteed. In other words, if everybody just gets 3 personal subscribers, you know what? The whole compensation plan maximizes and maxes out for everybody. So that's really the key. What you're trying to do is you're trying to get 1, 2, 3. So how many times do you hand this card out to somebody and you say, people are making a lot of money with this little system. If you need to make money, watch this. If not, just throw the card away. How many people do you have to hand that card out before you get one that says yes to at least 149 or 249 or 299, right? And so you can model it. Let's say that it takes 20 handouts. In other words, you've got to hand the card out to 20 people in order to get one filled. Well, that means you've got to hand out a total of 60 of these cards in order to complete your building block. So it's task related. It's not talent or skill set or experience related. And that's what's really important. To build a huge organization, you have to do it through simple tasks that anybody can do. And anybody can do this little system right here. It's very, very simple. Okay, now, so let me go back through this. Let's go to all copy and print. I want to take you through how to get these ordered. Now, hopefully their website's a little bit slow sometimes. I'll try to get through this. You go to staples.com/copy and print, okay? And then you go to all products. You pull down that and you go to business cards. You click over here on business cards and it brings up this screen right here. You want to make sure that you're getting a pick up in store the same day. Now, you can pick these cards up in Staples anywhere in the nation. You order them online, you simply put in the zip code of the Staples that you want to pick it up at, and within 2 to 4 hours you can go pick those up. You don't pay for them online, you pay for them when you actually pick them up. So we're going to select this right here, pick up in store the same day. And by the way, at the time of this recording, for 500 color cards, it's only $10, and so this is crazy cheap. Okay, we browse our designs. We want to get started. They have hundreds and hundreds of templates that you can choose from. Now, I choose one specifically. It's kind of professional, but you can kind of do anything you want. They have a lot of different categories over here on the left. I like the marketing communications, and we'll let their website work on it. But basically what it is, you can kind of design the card however you want. Now, I kind of choose this one down here, okay, because it's kind of professional, kind of fits me. I just kind of select that design, and then what it does is it pulls up the template where I can actually put in whatever information that I want to put in, okay. Now, you also, when you have you can set up your own account here, and I have my saved project, so I'm going to go to that because I've already got my cards filled in. If I go down here, and if we go to edit, it's going to pull this card up, and you can see what I've got on here. Wall Street to Main Street. You can put up here, eliminate your debt, or achieve a successful financial event, whatever you want to do, okay? But basically, I have a 1, 2, 3 step system that I went over previous, and you can change it over here on this side, and you can change the way it looks. For example, let's look at Wall Street. If you want to move that to left more, you see it moves it. If you want to move it over, you move it over on this page, and it moves over there. So this is a real easy template to be able to use once you have it designed. And don't pay attention to the fields over here, what they say, address or job or fax. Just fill in these fields until it looks right on your card, all right? Then push next. And as soon as you push next, then it's going to go to a preview page. Now you can look at larger up here. Check it out. It kind of tells you if you're happy with that card, then what you're going to do is you're going to say, I approve my design, and hit next. And then once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now, when you at some point through this, the first time you do it, it's going to ask you for a couple more screens. And matte finish, by the way, is perfect. As a matter of fact, what I found is that the matte finish cards are a little heavier stock than the gloss ones are. Okay, so I would pick matte finish versus glossy if it asks you for that option coming through. Now you can see it adds this all up. You can change your quantity up to whatever you want. However, 500 cards is what, $9.95. Hit your checkout button. Okay, and then you choose your pickup location. You just select pickup location. All you're going to do is just simply put in a zip code over here for anything that you might want. Let's just put in 83642, for example. Okay, that's like Meridian, Idaho. So we check that one right there and search for it. And there it is. And then we select this store. We can look on the map. We say, I'm going to pick this one up on Priest Drive. Select the store, and boom, you pick it up. Then you go to the next, and you can see that's your pickup location. Then you're going to get your customer information. This is your personal information. It's got my back office stuff in there. And then you're going to go to the review page, and here is the review. And then all you do is just simply place your order. It just can't get any simpler than this, guys. It's a piece of cake to be able to create these cards in such a way that you can hand those out and hand them out and hand them out. And it's all a numbers business. One of the things that I learned a long time ago is that you get what you advertise for. And so if we're looking at a business card, whatever you put on this business card is going to attract whoever you're after. So think about this little line right here underneath it, wealth generators, whatever it might be, or the content of the systems that you're sending them to. I've had a lot of success with just a little bit. We've brought in thousands of people just with these simple little messages right here. But you can choose your own. And so with this particular situation, simply handing out business cards, not having to ever open up your mouth. If you're using my systems, I will do every presentation for you for as long as you want me to do that until you feel as though you want to actually be being the presenter or the messenger yourself, or the message. But right now, this is the message. You be the messenger. Hand the business card out. You say simply, people are making a lot of money at this, or there's a little system here if you need to make some money. Watch this. If not, just throw the card away. Always say just throw the card away. Then what you do is you just don't talk to them anymore about wealth generators. Talk to them about the weather. Talk to them about sports, whatever it is. It is a numbers business. When it's all said and done, folks, this is how it goes. The largest seller of life insurance in the world, unbelievably, stood on a corner in Manhattan and said to everybody when they came by, he said, you want to buy life insurance? Do you need to buy some life insurance? You need a new life insurance agent. And he sold $1 billion in life insurance. Now, why is that? The most repulsive product in the world, some would say. Because he knew that every single morning somebody got up and the first thought on their mind was, you know what, I need to get some life insurance today. This man understood the concept of sort and sift, or sift and sort. And so that's what you're doing right here. It's simply a numbers business. I've had some people tell me, Rick, this didn't work for me. I said, how many cards you hand out? They said 4. Okay, look, this is a sort and sift system. If you do this over time, it will work for you. Okay, I've used this for a lot of years. So everyone, that's the little business card handout system. Everybody happy